Bangalore city drinking water. Sir, I am not going to criticize. I am not going to criticize the judiciary. I am not going to criticize the tribunal. I am not going to criticize anybody. For drinking water for Bangalore city, sir, the Prime Minister knows. Madam, Finance Minister comes from a home state to Rajya Sabha. Today, it is a metropolitan city. My friend Tambidore might have been sitting back. He knows. When the tribunal gave the award in 91, the population was 80 lakhs. Today is 1 crore 34 lakhs. Sir, you are so much experience in life. So much experience in life. For drinking water is a fundamental right. Sir, people are suffering. Sir, July 10th, there is an order by I am not just only to the notice of the House. July 10th. From 12th to 31st, 19 TMC of water must be released. So rain God, abundant rainfall came. More than 1,000 cusecs per day. Nearly, sir, 2 months Tamil Nadu, the water went from KRS. It has gone to sea. Rain God helped. Almost all the rivers, not only in Karnataka, Maharashtra, in almost even in the northern states, so much damage has happened. Sir, I have got little experience, sir. It is only once in 3 years, out of 10 years, 3 years is the problem that has been calculated by our all engineers from last 200 years. Now, today, if rain God has not helped, Karnataka would have been disobeyed the so-called order issued by the authorities.
Point taken, sir. Point well taken, sir.
I'm not, sir. I'm not going to blame anybody. Only rain God helped.
Divine intervention.
In such a circumstances, what we should do, sir? Tell us, sir.
Okay.
But this was sharing also.
To construct.
Mr. Vasan.
Sir, with your kind permission, I will conclude, sir. Upper Bhadra, I am not referring to your so-called Kaveri. What the dispute? You people have gone on fighting for 200 years. Let us see, discuss later on. The Honorable Prime Minister knows, sir, I would like to tell very frankly, today, the entire Kaveri Basin, 10 members have been elected for NDA because the water problem, what they are facing, to drinking water is a problem. 9 districts in Karnataka, in Old Mysore, 27 taluks, and Bangalore, a metropolitan city. Sir, how much we are suffering.
Thank you, sir.
Knowing full well the people today has supported NDA because of this. Please understand the problem of the old Mysore, how people are suffering. Bhadra, Upper Bhadra, we want. Kumar Swami's government has recommended. Mr. Dharma, I'm sorry, Mr. The BJP government headed by Bombay government recommended
Sir, thank you,
for
sir.
Upper Bhadra.
Thank you.
Please, sir, it is accepted by the union government and see that Upper Bhadra should be cleared and so for the drinking water problem of Karnataka, Old Mysore should be solved with these words. And I would like to say only last word, sir. I am a small farmer. I am a small farmer. Nobody recognizes me. Nobody. Whenever they talk, in last 40 years I have seen nobody. I have done something to this country. Something.
Sir.
Little bit. Sir, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Tehri Dam, 10,000 crores was given by World Bank. It has come to a grinding halt. I cleared the project. Narmada, I cleared the project. Sir, I can please one Sugata Srinivasaraju and his wife has written a book, at least I have circulated all the books in the last parliament to all the 850 members, fellow in the field. That book, if somebody has written, and Jairam Ramesh has appreciated on that book. Sir, no, why I am saying this, I have done something to this nation. In Canada,
Sir, we are sure, undoubtedly, we will have the benefit.
Farmer, I may
Sir.
address the next budget, I don't know, but I must congratulate the Prime Minister. He has one
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Prime Minister's Museum. He has been established in Delhi, where a small farmer like Devegowda is also one person. I have not seen that Prime Minister Museum, but I have come to know it has been very well done, and I thank the Honorable Prime Minister for such a large-hearted decision is taken, and I will express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for having done that contribution.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much today for having given me this opportunity.
Honorable members, I'll be little anecdotal. A young doctor, around 30 years of age, had gone to look up someone who was in 90s, like our former Prime Minister, Sri H.D. Devegowda. So the young doctor was worried. He said, "Hope to see you next Christmas." And the man in 90s said, "Well, you look very healthy. There's no reason about it. So we'll see you for many more budget speeches, sir." And the House is privileged. Sometimes we have to have patience because experience and age so demand, both in the family, both in the society, and both in Parliament. We look forward to many more addresses, sir. And I have particularly noticed 5 innovative points given by you. Very critical. And I'm sure we'll bear that in mind.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.